Bayaqhubeka nokuthola incindzetelo yokuthi bashiye phasi esikhundleni tabo bosodolobha wamasipala we-Mangaung Mxolisi Siyonzana, lisekela lakhe Mapaseka Mothibi Nkoane nasomlomo Stefane Lokumen. Kuhlukana ekhathi kwenhlangano ye-ANC kulo masipala kusiye indvo lensha njengoba nasodolobha phambilini limalamleli wakhishwa esikhundleni sakhe nga-2020 kulandzela sishukumiso sekungamethembi. Lokhulumele i-ANC eMangaung uthi ukukhishwa kwasodolobha bekusolo kulinzelwe.
We will be now waiting for the decisions of national office bearers of the ANC to make a determination when indeed the removal or recalling of Comrade Mxolisi Siyonzana would happen or not. But up until then, there's nothing that we can confirm.
Siyonzana akathuki.
I said to you, I'm a deployee of the ANC, and the ANC didn't say anything to me.
Tinhlangano tiphikisayo kulo masipala tithi angeke tivumele kwehlukana ekhathi ku-ANC kuphatamisa kusebenta kwalo masipala.
It's very interesting that the ANC leadership in the Free State think they have the mandate to remove people from the council. The process they need to follow is to have a motion of no confidence 14 days before a regional council meeting.
As the EFF, we welcome the decision of the structure. It's in the best interest of the public when the ANC removes itself from power. By the way, O.R. Tambo once prophetically said, there is no force that can destroy the ANC than the ANC itself.
Lisekela lasodolobha lomasipala Mothibi Nkoane nasomlomo Lokumen bangulabanye labasiphohlongo lebatfola banelicala Likomiti le ANC lelicondzisa tigwegwe eMangaung ngenyanga yengce. Lelikomiti labatfola banelicala ukungahloniphi imigomo yalenhlangano. Kanti yabe seyikhipha sijubo lesithi kufanele bacoshwe kulenhlangano.